How to use Optimizely. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason and welcome to my Optimizely review and tutorial. If you are looking to improve website performance, run split tests, or optimize digital experiences, then Optimizely might be the tool for you. Optimizely is a digital experience platform, better yet DXP, that helps businesses test, personalize, and enhance customer experiences through split testing, feature experimentation, and content management. But is it the right platform for your business? Well, in this tutorial, I'll be breaking down Optimizely's features, pros and cons, pricing, and real user reviews to help you decide. Now, let's dive in. What is Optimizely and how does it work? Optimizely is a data-driven experimentation and content management platform that helps businesses test changes, optimize customer journeys, and personalize experiences across websites, apps, and digital channels. Now, let's explore their core features. For example, split testing and multivariant testing. With this platform, you will be able to run controlled experiments to determine which website or app changes perform best. They also offer feature flagging and rollouts, so gradually releasing new features without deploying full updates, and AI-powered personalization. So this delivers tailored content and recommendation based on user behavior. It also offers web content management system. With this system, you will be able to help teams create and manage and optimize digital content. And they also offer customer data platform. So you'll be able to collect and analyze user behavior for better targeting and insights. And it integrates with marketing and analytics tools. For instance, Optimizely works good with tools like Google Analytics, Adobe, and HubSpot, and so much more. Now let's talk about different use cases. Optimizely is designed for businesses focused on website optimization, for instance, digital marketing and data-driven decision making. It's ideal for e-commerce businesses as it allows you to test product pages, checkout processes, and promotions. It is also a good option for SaaS companies as it runs experiments on UI and UX, pricing models, and onboarding flows. And it is also a good option for marketing teams as it will improve conversion rates and personalizes website content. And I would definitely recommend it for developers and product teams as it uses feature flagging to roll out new updates gradually. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of Optimizely. First, talking about the pros. It offers a powerful split testing capability, so it is one of the industry-leading experimentation tools. It also offers real-time data and insights, which will help teams make data-backed decisions, and feature flagging for developers. And this feature enables controlled rollouts of new features, delivers customized user experience. In addition, enterprise-grade security and compliance, which meets GDPR and other data privacy standards. The only pullbacks that I can find about Optimizely while doing my research is some persons say that it is a bit expensive for small businesses, so it is more suited for mid to large enterprises. And there is also a steep learning curve as it requires technical knowledge for advanced testing and integration. And the CMS is not as feature-rich as competitors, so some users prefer alternatives like WordPress or Contentful. And if we were to talk about user reviews and ratings, so on G2 ratings, it has a 4.4 out of 5 star as it is praised for experimentation capabilities, but some mention pricing concerns. And when it comes on to Capterra ratings, it has a 4.5 out of 5 star as users appreciate the split testing but say onboarding can be complex. So overall, most users love Optimizely for its advanced testing and optimization tools, but some businesses find it costly and complex to set up. And talking about pricing plan, if you were to go onto their platform and select plans, you can see that Optimizely offers custom pricing based on features and usage, but it generally falls into enterprise pricing tiers. There's no public pricing available, so businesses need to request a demo for a quote. So in conclusion, is Optimizely worth it? If you're a mid to large business looking for a powerful split testing and digital optimization platform, Optimizely is one of the best options available. It offers feature experimentation, AI-driven personalization, and robust analytics to help businesses enhance customer experiences. However, if you're a small business looking for a budget-friendly split testing tool, alternatives like Google Optimize before it was sunset, or VWO or Unbounce might be a better suited option for you. Overall, what do you think about Optimizely? Let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.